In this video, we show how a 5,000-liter water tank is repurposed into a working boat. The large plastic container is first cut open and thoroughly cleaned to prepare it for modification. Next comes the careful cutting and fitting of the wooden frame, where accuracy and alignment are essential. Planks are trimmed with a circular saw, producing smooth edges that allow for stronger connections. These precise cuts minimize waste while also improving the boat's balance and durability. Accurate measurements for each piece prevent errors and ensure a perfect fit. Once aligned, the planks are fastened together, creating the solid base of the wooden frame. For this project, the frame is built from 𝐬𝐮𝐬𝐫𝐞, a tropical hardwood known for exceptional durability. This wood resists moisture, insects, and decay, making it highly suitable for boats. Its dense grain naturally protects against pests like shipworms that often destroy timber vessels. Because of its heaviness, the frame can endure rough waters and heavy loads without warping. The natural oils within the wood further protect it from saltwater damage over time. This strong hardwood frame provides the boat with rigidity and long-term structural support. By spreading pressure evenly, the frame keeps the vessel stable and prevents twisting in the water. Its sturdiness also allows the hull to glide smoothly, improving balance during navigation. The plastic from the tank is then measured and cut into panels to match the boat's form. Accurate sizing avoids gaps or weak spots.
Potong sedikit-sedikit gini, kita tempel di sini.
This ensures the finished structure stays safe and reliable during use. The plastic panels are aligned precisely and secured to the wooden frame. Using old water tanks as material makes boat building much cheaper than buying metal or fiberglass boats. This affordability gives small-scale fishermen access to vital transportation. Recycled construction lowers costs for communities with limited income. Cheaper boats mean safer transport becomes available to more people. The money fishermen save can instead go toward nets, engines, and other equipment.
Lanjut. Ini sudah kita kasih karet, guys. Kita solder, guys. Di sini, guys.
Finally, the boat's hull is sealed with a plastic welder, fusing the overlapping joints into one watertight surface. After welding, the seams are carefully ground down and polished to create a smooth finish on the plastic hull.
Lunas di bawah. Sudah kita amplas, menyatu dia, guys.
Constructing a boat from plastic tanks or drums demands patience, accuracy, and constant focus on balance. Essential skills, including woodworking and water safety knowledge, are often inherited from older generations. Improper weight placement can upset stability, causing the vessel to lean dangerously or even overturn. Another obstacle is the time commitment, since building a boat may stretch across weeks or months of effort.
Kita buat di sini, guys.
Yet, the process offers fulfillment, creativity, and the ultimate joy of watching the boat take to the water. At this point, construction moves to internal reinforcement, where polyurethane foam chemicals are mixed in equal ratios. The liquid mixture is poured with care into the hollow sections inside the hull. As the reaction occurs, the foam quickly expands, filling every gap within those compartments.
Kita lihat, guys, gimana dia mengembang, guys. Gitu. Berarti perkiraan saya ini guys, keras, guys.
This addition enhances buoyancy, steadiness, and safety once the boat is launched. Human history with boats goes back more than 10,000 years, as proven by archaeological discoveries. The earliest vessels were dugout canoes, carved by hollowing out massive tree trunks.
Cepat, guys. Kita tuang.
In ancient Egypt, boats of reeds and timber were common on the Nile thousands of years ago. By the 9th century, Vikings designed longships that carried them on voyages, trade routes, and raids across Europe. Today's boats can be built from wood, fiberglass, steel, or recycled materials.
Wow.
The choice depends on cultural traditions, intended use, and advances in technology. Transforming a discarded plastic tank into a boat illustrates how waste can be turned into something purposeful. Do-it-yourself projects reveal that ordinary materials can become tools for exploration and utility. Such recycling fosters creativity, teaching people to view waste as a resource with hidden value. It also builds persistence and problem-solving, proving that with patience, anyone can craft something functional. Boats now come in every scale, from small hand-paddled canoes to enormous cargo ships. This particular model measures 480 centimeters in top length. The base length is 400 centimeters, giving it a stable and streamlined profile. Its top width of 145 centimeters provides room for passengers or supplies, making it practical for different needs. The bottom width of 115 centimeters improves water entry, contributing to smooth movement. This design allows the boat to glide efficiently through the water with less resistance. Its side height of 45 centimeters offers enough depth to keep passengers safe while still keeping the craft light. The broad upper section increases stability, helping prevent tipping even under heavier loads. Thanks to these proportions, the boat is well suited for rivers, calm lakes, and light coastal waters with mild waves. The next step in the project is building a stainless steel frame that will later support a durable fabric canopy. This sturdy framework guarantees strength and serves as a dependable foundation. Before painting begins, the entire boat is carefully cleaned to remove dust and debris. Thorough washing ensures proper adhesion, which protects the surface and lengthens the vessel's lifespan. A primer coat is then brushed on to reinforce and prepare the surface for finishing.
PP primer.
The first layer of white paint is applied evenly, giving the boat a consistent base color. The final finish combines blue and white, accented with bold red lettering that spells 𝐬𝐨𝐫𝐞 fishing along the side. For convenience, a handle is installed on the storage area, making it easier to open and close. These compartments provide safe, dry storage for ropes, tools, or fishing gear. Additional life jackets and emergency supplies are placed inside for quick access if needed. Food, water, and personal items can also be stored, staying protected from splashes or rain during travel. The final step involves stitching the tent fabric, which is then mounted onto the stainless steel frame to form a roof. This canopy gives shade, helping keep the interior cooler and more pleasant during long trips. It also shields passengers and belongings from unexpected showers, ensuring both comfort and safety in changing weather conditions. The roof fabric blocks harmful UV rays, protecting people and equipment inside the boat. It provides a polished, practical finish that enhances both function and appearance, while also increasing comfort for everyone on board. With the build complete, the boat is ready for use, whether for fishing, travel, or daily transport.
Tenda perahu sudah jadi.
If you enjoyed this project, make sure to subscribe to Mustaqim Muhammad Hatta's channel for more creative builds.